From garden to jar, a beginner's guide to becoming a master herb curer. Imagine, if you will, a world where your kitchen is a sanctuary, a place where the vibrant scents of basil, mint, and rosemary waft through the air, invigorating your senses and transforming every meal into a culinary masterpiece. This utopia is within reach, and it all begins in the humble confines of a jar. Yes, the journey from garden to jar is not just for the green-thumbed among us. It's a rite of passage for anyone daring enough to elevate their culinary game and preserve the essence of nature's bounty. The alchemy of herb curing, a magic unlike any other. Herb curing is an ancient craft, a blend of science and magic, where time itself is manipulated to capture the flavors and aromas of herbs at their peak. It's an art form that has been refined through generations, passed down from master curers to eager apprentices. But fear not, for you don't need a lineage of herb wizards to embark on this quest. With a few simple tools and a dash of patience, you too can become a master herb curer. The secret ingredients: air, time, and a touch of magic. At the heart of herb curing lies a simple truth. Air and time are both friends and foes. Too much air and your herbs will lose their essence to the ravages of oxidation. Too little, and they'll succumb to the perils of mold and mildew. The key, then, is to find the perfect balance, to create an environment where air gently kisses the herbs, allowing them to dry slowly, preserving their flavors and medicinal properties. The mason jar, your vessel on the journey to perfection. The mason jar, a simple glass container, becomes an alchemical vessel in the hands of a master curer. It's here that the magic happens, where the raw, vibrant energy of fresh herbs is transformed into a preserved treasure, ready to unleash its flavors at a moment's notice. But the mason jar alone is not enough. It requires the right seal, a guardian to regulate the flow of air and usher the herbs through their transformation. Step by step, your path to becoming a herb curing master. Harvest with care. Begin by selecting the freshest herbs, preferably harvested in the morning when their essential oils are at their peak. Prepare your herbs, clean them gently, removing any dirt or debris, and pat them dry. The art of arrangement. Lay your herbs out in a single layer on a drying rack or clean surface, ensuring they have space to breathe. Seal the deal. Once your herbs are dry to the touch but still vibrant, transfer them to your mason jars, sealing them with care. Wait, watch and wonder. Store your jars in a cool, dark place and give them time to cure. The longer they sit, the more profound their flavors become. Embracing the curer's creed, patience, and persistence. The path from garden to jar is not one of instant gratification. It's a journey that requires patience, a willingness to learn from nature, and the persistence to refine your craft with each batch of herbs. But the rewards are worth every moment of waiting. For in each jar lies not just cured herbs, but a story, a memory of the season and the promise of meals transformed. Join the ranks of herb curing masters. Are you ready to take the first step on your journey from garden to jar, to infuse your cooking with the unmatched flavors of freshly cured herbs? We invite you to join our community of aspiring herb curers. Let us guide you through the ancient art of herb preservation, providing you with the tools, knowledge, and inspiration to become a master in your own right. Craft your health, cultivate your life. Dawn Hatfield,